Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video, it's how to use ChatGPT for cybersecurity. ChatGPT can be used as a helpful tool for cybersecurity tasks such as threat intelligence analysis, incident response, security policy management, and more. While it's important to note that ChatGPT is an AI language model and not a cybersecurity expert, it can assist with providing information, guidance, and generating insights related to cybersecurity. Here are a few ways you can leverage ChatGPT for cybersecurity purposes. First is threat intelligence. ChatGPT can assist in gathering and analyzing threat intelligence, answering questions related to known vulnerabilities, recent exploits, malware analysis, or security news. You can ask about specific threats, indicators, or compromise, general trends in the cybersecurity landscape. Next is incident response. During an incident response, ChatGPT can use to help identify and triage potential security incidents. You can describe the symptoms or behaviors observed and ask for suggestions on initial steps to take, potential mitigation strategies, or relevant tools and techniques to use. Third is cybersecurity best practices. ChatGPT can provide information on cybersecurity best practices for various scenarios. Whether you need guidance on secure coding practices, secure network configuration, secure remote access, or data protection, you can ask for recommendation and guidelines. Fourth is security policy compliance. ChatGPT can help with understanding and interpreting security policies, standards, and compliance frameworks such as GDPR, HIPAA, or ISO 27001. You can ask for explanation of specific requirements or seek advice on how to align your organization's security practices with these regulations. Fifth is security awareness. ChatGPT can assist in creating interactive security awareness training content. You can provide scenarios, quizzes, or real-life examples, and ChatGPT can help generate relevant questions and explanations to enhance your training material. Last is security research and documentation. When conducting research or writing technical documentation related to cybersecurity, ChatGPT can provide suggestions for reliable sources, references, or even help draft sections of the document based on the information you provide. Remember that while ChatGPT can provide information and guidance, it's essential to verify and validate the suggestions provided and consult with cybersecurity professionals when dealing with the critical security incidents or making important decisions. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!